I'm working also as a researcher for pesticides analysis of their long-term effects. And we have demonstrated that the Roundup Ready was, it's an herbicide, a major herbicide in the world used on 75% of the commercialized and cultivated GMOs, such as Roundup Ready soya or Roundup Ready maize. And we have demonstrated that this Roundup was able to kill human cells at very, very low doses, 100,000 dilutions. And these dilutions are able to suicide the cells. So that means that the cells see that the embryonic, we have demonstrated that on embryonic, placental, and also on umbilical cord cells of humans. And they suicide themselves. There are even 10 to 40 more residues in the Roundup Ready soya that what we have tested. Have seen similar effects in Italian studies demonstrating that there were disruptions of cell organization of the nucleus and of the DNA, the hereditary patrimony, when mice were eating Roundup Ready soya. And we think that that could come from the Roundup Ready residues. In fact, these residues are able maybe to explain why in Canadian workers with glyphosate-based herbicides like Roundup, there was more chances to have abortions or to have short pregnancy and pregnancy problems in general. This was demonstrated by Savitz and collaborators in Canada. And we were horrified because we discovered that they are only tested for a few months for the GM soy on mammals, and that the blood analysis of the mammals are even kept secret or confidential by the companies, and the government do not request advertising on the blood analysis. So you imagine, and this is crazy because of course babies, elderly people and adults and also patients or healthy people are exposed to that during their entire life. So now the story is very clear to us. So first, there is a risk with GM about the pesticide residues that are contained. And these pesticide residues, when they are spread on the field and used by the agricultural workers, may have some effect on embryos, on human ones, not only on tadpoles or not only in the wildlife, but also on human embryos, human placenta, and human umbilical cord. So that means that problems for the entire life could be seen in the babies that have residues of these products at very, very low levels. The second thing is that we ask for more research. We ask for more than 3 months research. That this is really ridiculous, 3 months in the 21st century, in order to know that if you can give that food and feed and Roundup to people for years.